I'm making a short video to highlight this wonderful antique Vacheron and Constantin square pocket watch with a guilloche enameled and hand-painted dog on back. I'll show you how this works. This is what's called a pin set pocket watch movement. So to wind the pocket watch, you simply turn the crown clockwise, and then if you want to set the time, you actually push the pin in and then you turn the movement clockwise with just a little bit of pressure pressing down. It all works the way that it should. It's a lever escapement movement, and the serial number of 319518 dates this watch to between 1905 and 1910. The case is also marked with the same serial number, so Vacheron and Constantin would have made this case and the watch together. The back scene is showing signs of age, but overall it's a wonderful pocket watch, something different. It's square, it's very pretty, and it works the way that it should. Take care.